What's going on, everybody? This is Austin from Valvetronic Designs. This weekend we are going to be pioneering a Valvetronic exhaust on this 2013 B8.5 Audi A5. It's got your normal 2.0 turbo engine. We're going to be doing a center resonant delete and the Valvetronic rear mufflers with all the components hidden in the trunk. So we're going to give you some before clips now. We're going to be doing a startup, some revs, and then a takeoff. Then we'll give you some drive-bys. This is the beginning sound, and then you guys are going to see tomorrow going to be a big difference. Here we go. This is a roll from about 40 miles an hour. So you hear a lot of that air rushing sound, which is not very good, not a very good tone for this car. Once we do the Valvetronic rear section and the resonant delete, it's going to sound a lot better. This is the stock configuration. We have this heavy back box here, and then we have this poppy. We have the center resonator here. So what we're going to do is we're going to be removing the center resonator and then installing our Valvetronic rear muffler here. And we're going to wire everything up through the firewall, or I'm squeezing not the firewall, up through like the trunk liner and into where the spare tire is to have the vacuum components there, and we'll tap into power in the trunk. Should be a fairly easy install, and it's going to sound a lot better. Alright, so we're back. Now the A5 is fitted with the secondary resonator delete and the Valvetronic rear muffler. We're going to be doing a demonstration of loud and quiet, so take a listen. This is the quiet mode. So that's the quiet mode, and now we'll click it into the loud mode. Okay, now we're going to do some startup, acceleration clips, and some revs in the loud mode. So if you guys enjoyed that, hopefully we'll be producing these systems soon. I love the concept of having the flexibility on these engines because you do get some drone if you're going to do like a full muffler delete. So yeah, thank you for watching.